the video editing page. When you save a video into Dub, what's some stuff you can do? We're going to take a look at the video edit page right now and what that looks like. So anytime you save a video into Dub or you upload a video into Dub, you can access this page. So if I'm in the home dashboard here of the Dub Studio, all you have to do is go to videos, come in here. Here's a video we recorded earlier, right? And the first couple of things pretty cool is we got auto titling. So when you do a video, whatever you're saying for the first 20 seconds, that's going to give the automatic title of the video. You can change that if you want to with the little pencil icon right here. Edit it. You also can pin videos here. If you want to keep one at the top of your video library, you have the ability to do that. You also can preview what this video looks like. So you recorded a video, you're like, oh man, what does it look like on a landing page? We looked at that earlier. All you have to do is go all the way to the right, this little square icon with an arrow opens up a new tab, and you can check out what it looks like. Yeah, there's my video, there's the buttons, there's the AI, there's everything. Everything looks great. Now, if I wanted to change that to a different preset landing page, right? I want the same video, but I want a different background. All I have to do is hit the little drop down here, and I can come right in here and click on another preset landing page that I've already created, and that will change everything about the background that you just saw. I also can download this video, the MP4 version right here. Click MP4, you can download it, you got it. You can do that if you'd like to. You also have the ability to upload this to YouTube. Okay, you got the CC version right here. You can change the owners of this video if you want to change the owners so people have access to it. You also can come over here and use a QR code. Every Dub video has one. You can tap this right here and you're able to have this. And this is great. You can put it on physical media if you're doing any kind of mail outs, door hanger stuff. You could do a fun video like, hey, thanks for pulling me off the door, or a mail stack kind of thing. If you're at an event or a conference, you could have a placard set up there in your booth. You could walk around, make a video saying, hey, it was great to meet you at the event. They scan it and boom, they see you. Also, if you're doing open houses in real estate, definitely put one on the counter. Hey, thanks for coming to the open house. By the way, if you want to see similar properties, all you got to do is click below. Now you also have on here analytics right down here at the bottom. So over here to the right, you have activity. So you always can tap in here and say, hey, what's going on with the video? Are people clicking on it? They watching the videos? They clicking on any buttons? You can isolate what you're looking for or get the entire thing that you do need. You also have content analysis here. If you click generate, it's going to give you a nice breakdown of the video you did for delivery analysis, effectiveness. Pretty great. You can click right in here. You also have the editing part of the video. Whenever someone uploads a video in here or saves it, you have an editing tab. You have a nice basic editor that you can access right away. So if I came in here and I wanted to edit this video, then all I have to do is go right down here at the bottom. I can hit the play button. I can drag my timeline, see me dragging it from left to right. So if I want to cut something out, let's just pretend I want to cut this out right here. I'm going to take us here to this point, and then I'm going to click the scissor icon right here to the right. That's going to split the clip. Split. Now I'm going to drag it to my second cut point. Let's just say it's right here. I'm going to click the scissor icon again, split it again. Now notice I have three pieces down here at the bottom. Whatever is highlighted in that nice orange, that's going to be what I can get rid of. So I'm going to hit the trash can here and it's gone. Now, if I want to bring things back, hit the undo button as many times as you cut. Undo, 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 and I'm right back to where I started. So those are the options here. You have privacy options, you have video replies, you have design options. All of it is designed so when you save a video into the Dub platform, you have some nice realistic options in terms of editing that and doing that right there. And that's that topic.
Hey, it's Rob, your AI and video coach from Dub. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know your thoughts below in the comments, and please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more trainings just like this.